The OD off warning light on your dashboard indicates that your vehicle's overdrive function is either manually disabled or experiencing a system fault. Understanding this light is crucial for maintaining your transmission's health and fuel efficiency. Overdrive is a gear system that improves fuel economy by reducing engine RPMs at highway speeds. It uses gear ratios like 0.7 to 1 or 0.8 to 1, where the output shaft rotates faster than the input shaft. The behavior of the OD off light tells you different things. A solid light typically means overdrive is manually turned off, while a flashing light signals a serious transmission problem requiring immediate attention. Based on 2024-2025 automotive service data, there are four main categories of problems causing OD off lights. Transmission fluid issues account for 35% of cases, electrical problems 28%, mechanical issues 22%, and sensor failures 15%. Transmission fluid problems are the leading cause. This includes low fluid levels, contaminated or burnt fluid, and using the wrong fluid type. Contaminated fluid appears dark brown or black instead of the normal red color. Electrical problems include faulty overdrive solenoids, damaged wiring harnesses, and transmission control module malfunctions. These components work together to control the overdrive function electronically. To diagnose OD off-light issues, start with an OBD2 scan to check for transmission codes in the P0700 to P0799 range. Modern diagnostic tools can provide specific error codes and live data analysis to pinpoint the exact problem. Understanding the OD off-light and its common causes helps you take appropriate action quickly. Whether it's a simple fluid issue or a more complex electrical problem, proper diagnosis is the first step toward getting your transmission back to optimal performance. When your overdrive warning light appears, start with these basic reset procedures that can resolve many common issues. For more complex issues, professional diagnostic scan tools can perform advanced resets by clearing transmission adaptation values and running relearn procedures. Repair approaches are organized into three levels, from basic maintenance to major component replacement, depending on the severity of the issue. Regular preventive maintenance can dramatically reduce overdrive problems. Fluid changes every 30,000 miles reduce issues by 65%, while annual electrical checks prevent 40% of sensor failures. For 2018 to 2023 Ford F-150 trucks with the 10R80 transmission, a specific software update called TSB 21-2230 often resolves overdrive issues with a 94% success rate. For complex overdrive problems, always consult qualified technicians who have the proper diagnostic equipment and expertise. Use only OEM quality parts for replacements to ensure reliable, long-lasting repairs.